Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to withdraw in USDT on GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after doing so you'll be greeted by the main page of the website where in the upper right corner we can get started with logging into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started with searching for the main name we want to use. We can see the products and services right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how do we withdraw money in USDT. So basically, what we want to do, guys, is go right here into the upper right corner and click on our profile name. After clicking on our profile name, it's going to open up this new menu with all the options we can access. We want to open up account settings. So go ahead and open up your account settings, which is going to open up this new page with your account settings where we can go ahead and manage all of our info. And if you scroll down, guys, you'll find there is an option that we can use that is called default currency. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up default currency, and here you guys want to go ahead and select USD. So go ahead and select USD, and after selecting USD, guys, this is going to enable you to take your payments in USDT. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.